of all, a very warm good morning to all of you. And sir.
To sir also.
Yes, sir. To sir also.
Yeah.
Today I have come here to deliver the topic: is privatization of railway is good?
To deliver the topic.
Yes.
To deliver the speech on the topic.
On the topic of is privatization of railway for Indian good or not?
No.
So before commencing the topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ashutosh Kumar. I belong to Darbhanga and I have done graduation, and now I am pursuing for competitive exams. So now I am coming on the topic about privatization. So first I would like to clear all that government is not going to privatize all the sectors of railways, because government wants to give facility to the Indians. That's why he is going to privatize some railways, some railways platforms and trains also. So what is the matter exactly? I am saying you that the CEO of Niti Aayog, National Institute for Transforming India, has suggested to the government that we should privatize some trains and platforms, near about 50 platforms and 150 trains, to give the private sector as per PPP, public private partnership, in which government is also involved in that. So as a partner. So government wants to give better facility to the Indians. So after doing this, many scholars and our Indians people also asking the question to the government, why is he doing like this? So why is it need for the government to do like this? Why is it need to the government to do like this? So government alleged that railways is going in loss continuously, and accident is also happening day to day, and the timetable of the train is very worst. So that's why he is doing to do privatize of railway, so that it may be convenience for the people of India. So that's why he is doing like this. But what will be the disadvantage for our Indians being like that? So first of all, many government jobs will be deducted and not created. Okay. We see that we are Indians, and we are Indians, and India is a developing country, not developed. Here so many poor people are living here, and India stands only because of India stands only for unorganized sector. Okay. So there are so many merchants and small workers are there. They are doing works, and he is earning on the basis daily wages.
They are earning daily wages.
Yeah. And they are working in trains also. Suppose I am telling about
some of them are working
in trains also. Okay. And he is working like a tea seller and tea seller, coconut seller, and like that. There are so many
things
they sell in the train, and earns money, and they are the breadwinner of his family. But after becoming after privatization, it will be difficult for them to earn money in the train, because private sector and private company will not allow him to enter not only in the train but also on the platform also. So it will be very difficult for them, and unemployment will be created more in numbers, and that's all. And no sir. Yes. Okay. And after doing all conclusion, I want to say that after saying all the things, I want to say that first of all we should do because millions of people are attached in railway and loving railway.
Attached with the
railway,
and
love railway. So it will be very difficult for them. So first of all, Indian government should think about this, and he should publish and talk to
Public.
talk to the public and convince the
Talk to the
public and tell all the things what is exactly they are doing. So my suggestion is that, and that's all.
Okay. Wait. Any question you have? I have, but I'm getting some. But anyway, I have your questions.
Yes, sir.
You said that India is privatizing the railways just because the railways is in the loss.
Yes, sir.
I may be wrong. When Lalu Yadav
Yes, sir.
was the railway ministers, I hope there was huge profits.
Yes, sir.
I hope I may be wrong also. No, that's I'm not going.
Yes, sir.
This is what that details I'm not going.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir. But railway was profit at that time.
time. One second, can I speak? Railway is being privatized.
Yes.
As you said, railway is in the loss of.
Yes, sir.
So a company which is in the loss, how private person can take over and make a profit? If they can do profit from there with the
Yes,
loss
sir.
of the company which is already in the loss, why can't our government do the same?
Yes, sir.
Like one boy said, Adnan, in his area especially, like from Darbhanga to Sitamarhi, in the trains TTs are not coming. So might be the lack of TTs are there.
Yes, sir.
So if the TTs are there, they are not forcing the passengers to book the tickets. So without tickets, problems are only with the local trains. With the mail trains, such problems are not there. And how railway is in the loss, I cannot believe how.
Yes.
There are seats 75 maximum in a one bogie, or might be 80, I don't know. Around 70-75 seats are there in one bogie.
Yes.
And how many tickets are booked waiting? Normally in other countries, tickets are booked only as per the number of seats available. But in our India, in one bogie, 75 persons are having with the confirmed ticket, and 200 people are in the same bogie with the waiting ticket.
Waiting ticket, yes.
How India is in the loss then? Right?
Yes, sir.
How railway is in the loss? It's very tough to digest actually, right or not?
Yes, sir.
So there is actually systems failures, what I feel. If government become hard and monitor proper, not
Yes, sir.
directly, they hire the person for the same. And system is there, DRM, this, that,
Yes, sir.
from bottom to the top and top to the bottom, hierarchy is there, system is there. So a person, my company is in the loss, I am not getting profit, I sell to you, you will start the profit from here, it means it's my failure. I can also work on
Yes,
that
sir.
and get the salary also, profit also, right?
Yes.
So what is it overall your idea about? Should be privatized or not?
Sir, India is doing privatized because
Should be privatized or not? Railway should be privatized.
So because seeing the large number of people of Indian, they should not
They are going to
private.
get highly affected.
Yeah, highly affected.
Like
That's
even
it.
to be the platform, there can be 100 rupees charge.
Yes,
Platform
that
cost,
also,
maybe
yes, sir.
100 rupees
The charge, maybe, yes,
no
sir.
one can directly go
Directly,
there. Like
yes, sir.
today we are going.
Yes, sir.
Right, as our India is developing, it is not developed. If
Yes, sir.
we had developed country,
Then it is
take
okay,
the
yes, sir. Then
we
we can think.
But still we are struggling.
Yes, sir.
That's fine, no problem. Can we all clap for Mr. Ashutosh Kumar?